Design and manufacturing workflows are closer together than ever, but our ideas still often exceed what we can physically realize. A new wave of independent manufacturing starts now with the Fuse One, an affordable, compact SLS 3D printer with an intuitive workflow. Selective laser sintering, or SLS 3D printing, is relied on for printing strong, functional nylon parts. In the past, SLS has been too expensive and difficult to use for many businesses. The Fuse One allows you to fabricate production-ready parts and high-performance prototypes. Control your entire process, from iterating on your first concept design to manufacturing finished products. The process starts in Preform, our print preparation software. Preform's part packing algorithms can automatically arrange many models in a build. During setup and printing, the Touch UI walks you through every step. Monitor your print from the touchscreen or from your computer via the integrated live camera. Once your print is complete, transfer the build chamber to the Fuse Sift. This safe, efficient powder recovery station completes the workflow. Fuse Sift will automatically dispense and mix used and new powder after you set the ratio. Reduce waste by recycling powder at a 30% material refresh rate. This means you can print with up to 70% recycled powder. After you've transferred a completed build to Fuse Sift, swap out the entire build chamber from the Fuse One for non-stop printing. SLS 3D printing fuses nylon powder layer by layer. The unused powder supports the parts during printing, so you can create complex, interconnecting designs with no need for support structures. Nylon parts balance strength, flexibility, and detail, so prints are ready for rigorous functional testing or to ship ready-to-use products to customers. It's time to rethink product development and take control of your own manufacturing. The Fuse One, production SLS, finally within reach.